In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wix website fit all screens. If your pages look great on desktop, but break on tablets or phones, this walkthrough will help you set up a flexible layout that scales smoothly everywhere. First, open Wix Studio and access the site you want to work on. From the site dashboard, enter the editor by selecting Edit Site. This loads the canvas where you can manage your page structure and layout settings. On the left panel of the editor, open Add Elements. This is where all building blocks live. Choose Containers, then pick Empty Containers. Containers are the secret to consistent, responsive design in Wix Studio. They act like flexible wrappers for your content, helping you control spacing, alignment, and how elements behave as the screen size changes. Drag an empty container onto your page and place it where you want your section to live. With the container selected, set the content width correctly. The goal is to let the section adapt to the screen while keeping your text line length readable. In the layout settings, keep the container itself able to expand, but give the content a maximum width so it doesn't stretch too wide on large monitors. This strikes the balance between full bleed design and usability. Next, stretch the container so the background spans the full width of the browser. Use the stretch control to make it edge to edge. This is ideal for hero sections, banners, or backgrounds that should touch both sides of the screen. Now adjust the container by dragging each side to fine-tune spacing. Use the side handles to set comfortable padding on the left and right, and adjust the top and bottom so the section doesn't look cramped or overly tall. Keep content centered within the container and make sure important items aren't too close to the edges. A few tips as you refine. Consistent padding values create a clean rhythm from section to section. A max content width around typical reading widths keeps text legible, and images inside the container should be set to scale while maintaining their aspect ratio so they don't distort. When you preview, check the section on narrow and wide screens and adjust padding or max width if anything feels off. That's it. By using empty containers, setting content width thoughtfully, stretching the section, and fine-tuning by dragging the sides, your Wix pages will look polished on every screen.